most important rule is that we do need to remain seated on your bottoms, not your feet, not your knees, just your bottoms the entire time. Otherwise, I do have to stop the boat and listen. That's no fun for any of us. Once again, please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, please supervise your children. We are clear and out of here. So wave goodbye to my friends on dock. Bye. You'll never see them again. No, it's okay. It's okay. You probably didn't see them very long in the first place, but you will see me for the next 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Skipper Michaela. I'll be here. Oh, please remain fully seated, keeping your hands on feet and legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. All right, back at it. I'm Skipper Michaela. I'll be your skipper, your guide, your social director, and maybe even your dance instructor, but we'll see on that last one. All right. We're starting our adventure in the Amazon rainforest on the Amazon River. Out here in the Amazon, it is known to rain up to 365 days a year. But looking around, I think it's safe to say we've missed one. On either side of the boat, you'll see some beautiful butterflies with a very impressive wingspan, ranging from about 12 inches all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Wow, yeah, that's why we call them the rulers of the jungle. Right over here we have Inspiration Falls. Legend says the longer you stare at those falls and listen to that rushing water, the more you'll be inspired to go. Oh, sorry, deeper and deeper into the jungle. Of course, of course. Well, they've inspired me to turn down the Congo River and see just how far we can go. The jokes get worse. Yep. Right up here we have boats and baits and bites. You know, this one used to be just the bait shop until that business went underwater. We're trying something different now. We have daily canoe rentals. You'll choose one of these 3 canoes and a paddle to go with it. We have 2 different kinds, the basic and the deluxe. Again, your call. It's kind of an either-or situation. Oh my goodness, that's a python. Oh, I know he's a python because he's exactly 3.14159 meters long. It's true, I measured it myself. Now we're here in banana territory, so keep your eyes peeled for anything exciting. Uh-oh. I hired those gorillas to break down my camp, and it looks like they're breaking, well, just about everything. I don't find that very appealing at all, so we better split. We'll turn down the Nile River. The Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in Africa, home of the African bull elephant. That one there is the second most feared animal in the jungle. And right over here we have the first, his mother-in-law. Up ahead we have our sandstone formation. You know, a lot of people take this one for granted. I think it rocks. And it's really one of our bolder attractions. Out here on the veldt, we have a lot of animals, but I don't recognize the ones up front. Now, they must be new. We also have some long-necked cheetahs, the 71 Impala parked out back, and those stripy horses are the oldest animals in the jungle. I can tell because they're still in black and white. But that one looks dead tired. Sorry, tired. Dead tired is what I was trying to say. Right, kids? Yeah. We'll move on and let him rest in peace, okay? Well, earlier today we had some very important guests here with us, and we put them in a boat with Skipper Felix. He's the guy at the bottom. Now, Skipper Felix, he's a great guy, but today was his first day out of training. Yeah, we gave him 2 big rules to follow. Rule number 1, stay in your boat. Rule number 2, do not go near the rhinos. And clearly he wasn't paying attention. Now, I'm sure he'll get the point in the end. Now here we are in crocodile country, where danger lurks around every bend. Well, actually his name is Smiley, his middle name is Danger. The smaller one, that's Ginger. Boy, she's one tough cookie. Ginger snaps. Behind me we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Of course, Schweitzer Falls is named after world famous explorer Dr. Albert Falls. If you're not familiar with the doctor, don't worry about it. We're going over the falls later. For right now, I bet you want to know how I landed my job here. I was supposed to be an airplane pilot, and I took a crash course with Hathaway Brown, and plain to see, that career did not take off the way I thought it was going to. That's all right. I've been winging it here in the jungle ever since. Oh my goodness. So, sorry everybody. I guess someone thought we were taking out submarine voyages. That is easily 20K underwater. Oh, I bet these hippos had something to do with it. You know, somebody told me that when a hippo wiggles its ears, it's a sign of affection. Well, I've only seen them do it when they want to charge a boat. I keep telling them I only carry cash, but I don't think they get it. Oh my goodness, well that boat belonged to Skipper Felix. Oh, just as I feared, it's been washed ashore and taken over by a very creative family of chimpanzees. Oh, I have had enough monkey business today. You know, first those gorillas at my camp, chimpanzees on the boat. Oh, there's more. Wow, look at the butterflies though. Wow, they are not what they used to be. Oh, sorry, caterpillars? They used to be caterpillars, now they're butterflies. Anyway, oh my goodness, we've made it already. It's the beautiful, the magnificent, the eighth wonder of the world. The dark side of water! Yeah, wow, you don't see that every day. Unless you're me. Well, here we are on the Mekong River in the heart of Cambodia. Now, up ahead, we have an ancient Cambodian shrine, probably built by the ancient Cambodian Shriners. I've heard there's a 500-pound tiger living in there, but I've never seen him. Maybe there's a reason. Well, we all know why tigers have stripes, right? It's to avoid being spotted. But they're kind of wrinkly. Maybe I'll call in a pachydermatologist to smooth them out a little bit. We'll see. A lot of people think it's water coming out of these elephants' trunks. Let me assure you, it's not. Wow, I see you, I win. I see you over there. Now, these guys are learning how to play hide and seek. They're not very good at it. Just because you went underwater and came back doesn't mean I can't see you too. Oh, that one put a leaf on his head. That's not going to hide you, buddy. You're an elephant. Okay? No. Next week, I'm teaching them how to play tag, and I'm a little nervous about that one. We do have one more stop to make, the Lost and Found, gift shop. We're calling it the gift shop now. My friend Trader Sam is in charge. He is the jungle's head salesman after all. Oh, looks like he left us a note. Well, let's see what it says. Oh man, back in 15 minutes? Well, I guess we missed him. I don't think we can wait that long, but he's probably out grabbing some more merchandise. He believes strollers full of it all over the place. And we do have a lot to choose from here. I see some cameras, fans, boat parts. Ooh, there's an accordion down there. Do any of you play the accordion? No? Okay, does anybody want to learn? No, okay. Let's see, what else do we have then? Butterfly nets, lanterns, lots of hats. Yeah, if you ever want to try on a hat, just let a jungle Cruise skipper. No, we are the experts at capsizing. And my friends, you have been outstanding on my boat today, but pretty soon here I will need you outstanding somewhere else. But I've had a great time with all of you. Feel free to come back and save me. I mean, see me. Save me, please. Somebody save me. I'll be around and around and around and around every, 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, my parents are so proud of my brother. He's a doctor. Yeah, I tried to be a doctor. I gave it my best shot, but I just didn't have the patience. Yeah, it's okay. Then I tried to be a baker instead. Turns out, to be a baker, you need a lot of dough. I didn't have that either. So then I applied to work at an orange juice factory. You know what? Things went pretty well there until I got canned because I just couldn't concentrate. That's okay. I ended up here, and you know what? I'm loving it. I really do. But a lot of people say it seems like my career is just going in circles. No, it's more than that. It's kind of a squiggly oval kind of thing. Yeah. We are going to be heading back to the dock pretty soon. You might notice we have two of them here at the Jungle Cruise, a dock on the left and a dock on the right. It gets a little confusing. We like to call it a paradox. Don't worry though, when it is time to go, you'll have two skippers up there helping you out of the boat. I call them a pair of dorks. That's okay, they know. Now it is very important though that when we go out of the boat, we all go out the same doors we came in, okay? That means everyone over here, we're going out that back door. Everybody over here and in the middle goes right out the front, okay? Please don't climb over or through anything in the middle. It's the Jungle Cruise, not the Jungle Gym, okay? Yeah, we don't want you to trip and fall. You can also hit your head on those lights and speakers, and trust me, those things are hard to replace, and I don't want to do it. So just go out the same doors you came in, okay? Much easier, much safer for you. I sure hope you had a great time. If you find yourselves passing by the Jungle Cruise later, keep going. Sometimes I wish I could, but you know what? No, today's not one of those days. It's been so much fun out here, but I'm kind of surprised we didn't see more ducks. We usually see quite a few of them. They're really great little guys. We have lots of fun with them here. In fact, yesterday I went out to dinner, and I was sitting on the patio enjoying my meal, and all of a sudden a little duck walks up to my table, and he goes, "Excuse me, ma'am." I said, "Oh, Larry from work. How are you?" And he goes, "Oh, I'm glad it's you, Skipper Michaela. You do such a great job out there. You know what? Let me treat you to dinner." And I said, "Larry, you don't have to do that." He said, "Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You work so hard. Just put it on my bill." Thank you. All right. Well, one final note from our legal department. Please remain fully seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. Once again, I hope you enjoyed your cruise today. If you did, my name is Skipper Michaela from Maine, and I think I'll leave you all some words that my family left me with when I turned 18. They sat me down and they said, "Skipper Michaela, we love you. To the moon and back, we really do, but honey, your free ride's over. Go ahead, pack up all your personal belongings. Don't leave anything on the floor or in the seat beside you, because it is just about time to get out." Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails. Oh, don't stop. Please don't stop. I love attention. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrails. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you later, alligators. In a while, crocodiles.